Have you ever wondered how those kids' nursery rhyme channels get millions of views and how you can start one yourself? Well, today is your lucky day. Hey everyone, Faisal here and welcome back to the Learn Up. Creating 3D kids animation used to take months of hard work and expensive software. But today, I'm going to share an amazing secret with you called Tuni AI. It's an incredible platform that lets you generate music, characters, and full-length animated videos with zero editing experience. So if you want to learn exactly how I made that video at the beginning, let's jump right into my screen. First, click the link in my description to head over to the Tuni AI website. Click on Sign Up and create a completely free account using your Google account or email. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by this clean, simple, and super user-friendly dashboard. Step 2. Music generation. Alright, step 1 is complete. We have a free account. Now let's move on to step 2, music generation. Tuni AI gives you two different ways to generate music. First, if you already have your own lyrics, you can simply use those. Second, you can use Tuni's built-in AI to generate the lyrics from scratch and then create the music. Let me show you the built-in AI method first. Just type in your idea right here. What kind of music do you want to create? Since I'm making a kids nursery rhyme today, I'll type, create a nursery rhyme for kids, twinkle twinkle little star. Once your prompt is ready, hit the Start Cooking button. Next, Tuni AI will ask for your preferred music style. Just pick one that fits your vibe. Once you select a style, it will write a complete set of lyrics and generate the track based on that. This process takes about a minute. Now I actually have some lyrics I prepared earlier, so I'll show you how to generate music with those. To use your own lyrics, just paste them right here and click Start Cooking. Pro tip. It's always best practice to include specific details about the music, like the tone or style, right alongside your lyrics. If you include the style in your text, the AI won't ask you for it. If you don't, it will prompt you to choose a style just like before. Once the style is set, it automatically starts crafting your song, and within minutes, you'll have a high-quality track ready to go. Okay, our music generation is done. Let's take a listen.
One little star shining bright, two little owls say who at night, three happy ducks go quack, quack, quack.
To create a music video, head over to the home page and click on Video from the left-hand menu. Next, to add your music track, click on Upload your music. If you already have a pre-made track, you can simply click Upload right here to bring it in. Alternatively, you can click on the Tuni library and choose a music track you've already generated. I'm going to go ahead and select the music track I created earlier. Here, you need to select the duration. If there's a specific catchy part of the song you love and you just want to make a short video for YouTube Shorts or TikTok, you can select just that segment. But if you want a full music video for the entire track, just drag the selection bar all the way to the end. Then hit the Next Step button. Step 5. Character creation and selection. Once your music is selected, click on the character option. You can choose one or multiple characters for your video straight from their character library. Alternatively, you can click on Create New to design a brand new character. You get three options here. First is Clone Your Twin, which lets you upload a character, convert it to an MV style, and use it for your video. Second is Upload Existing, where you can directly upload a photo of yourself to use in the video. And the third option is Design from Scratch, which lets you generate an entirely new AI character. Let's create a new one. Click the Try It Now button. First, select the gender, then the image style. Under Additional Details, paste your character prompt. Finally, select an image model. Tuni AI gives you access to some of the best models available right now, like GPT Image 2, Nano Banana 2, and more. I'll go ahead and select GPT Image 2. When you're ready, click Create, and within minutes, it will generate a stunning high-quality character image for you. Once the character image is generated, click the Continue button and then click Confirm. Hover your mouse over the character image and you'll see a Select button. Click it to assign this character to your video. Leave this next option exactly as it is. Now let's move to the model section and pick a video model. You'll see top tier models here like Dance 2 and Happy Horse 1. Choose whichever one fits your vision. I'm going to select Dance 2. After that, simply click the Create button. A new page will pop up. First, select the creative mode and then choose your visual style. If you want, you can add even more characters from the character option. Go ahead and adjust the rest of the settings according to your needs. Once everything looks good, click Confirm. Now Tuni AI will analyze your music track and automatically generate a blueprint for your video. If you don't love the blueprint, just click Modify to customize it. If you're happy with it, hit Continue. The AI will now generate images for every single scene. If you run into any issues with an image not loading properly, just click Regenerate to fix it. Once all the scene images are ready, scroll down and click Continue. Now the real magic happens. It will create video clips scene by scene using those images. By the way, if you want to add a lip sync effect to any specific clip or scene, you can easily do that too. Just hover your mouse over the clip you want to animate and you'll notice a small lip sync icon appear at the bottom. Click on that icon and then hit Continue. Give it just a moment to process and you'll see that your character is now perfectly lip syncing to the music in that exact scene. It looks incredibly realistic.
Shine bright, clap your hands now, make it light. Shine bright, wave your arms up through the night.
Once that's done, simply click Create Final Video. The AI will automatically stitch all the individual clips together into one seamless full-length video. That means zero extra video editing work for you. Alright, our video is completely ready. Let's play it and see how it turned out.
One little star shining bright, two little owls say who at night, three happy ducks go quack, 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 four tiny turtles crawl on the track. Count with me, 1, 2, 3, learning numbers happily. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, making learning super sweet.
And there you have it. That's exactly how easy it is to create your very own high-quality kids nursery rhyme videos without any animation skills. If you want to start your own Faceless YouTube channel or just have some fun creating animations, make sure to click the link in the description below and try Tuni AI for completely free. If you found this tutorial helpful, please drop a quick like on this video. And let me know down in the comments, what other AI tools or tutorials would you like to see next? Don't forget to subscribe to the Learn Up and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on any of my future AI tutorials and tech secrets. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.
Hard breath, staring at the floorboards, searching for a reason